Are you tired of missing out on affiliate income because you can't figure out how to join Semrush's program? Learn the exact steps to sign up and start earning in under 3 minutes. I'll walk you through each step of the sign-up process, including reading the contract terms, so you can get approved and start promoting today. Start by going to the Semrush affiliate program page. Then, go ahead and click on Become a Partner to get things rolling. Now click on Sign Up to begin the registration process. Click on Contract Terms for Semrush to open the agreement. Read through the terms carefully. Review the Payout Details section. Note that all financial transactions will be processed in USD, with currency exchanges if you've set a different default currency. Check the stand-down policy, which gives partners a better chance to maintain their conversion winner status. Confirm the currency details for financial transactions. Read through the general terms to understand the overall agreement. Click Continue to proceed. Sign up and start earning with the Semrush affiliate program. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.